guys, welcome back to another video. So today I have a small PR package unboxing to do today, and this is all from this week, and I just want to show you guys what I've gotten this week. Like, I literally haven't opened anything, just so you guys can see it. The only thing I did open was the one in this package because it's for a paid partnership, so I had to do a video for that one quick. But I really like taped it so I could open it in this video. Like, I know what's inside, but I just needed to do a quick video for that one. They don't really want me to post it anywhere. It's just a video for them, and then I just get paid for it, if you guys don't know how that works. But the rest, I'm gonna show you what's inside, and let's start unboxing. So if you haven't noticed, I'm not doing this video on my phone. My phone is actually right here. I'm looking at myself on the video on my phone. I got the DJI camera finally, and I'm gonna start recording a lot of vlogs this year, probably, if I face my fears of recording in public. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna start off strong. So it's my favorite clay mask, actually. They sent me a second one, so it's the Fully clay mask, the green tomato one. This one is the best clay mask ever. I love that clay mask. That's a good clay mask, because there's some clay masks that are like not good at all. And then this one, I think it looks like candy, but I don't know what type of candy, so I'm not eating it. They're called Shameless Snacks. I'm not gonna try them because I've heard on TikTok they make you go to the bathroom a lot, but yeah, I'm just gonna show them to you guys. I'm not gonna try them. So they bring blue raspberry. This one's probably good. What a shame. I mean, they're called Shameless. So these are peach gummies. These are green apple, red raspberry, watermelon, and cherry. So they come in a little box, and it's a sample, I guess, of each. Oh, box opener. So this one, I don't know what it is. It says from Slow Move or Slow Move Institution. Damn, almost broke a nail. Slim. It's strawberry milk. Oh, it smells so good. It's literally a perfect consistency. And they sent me the little care guide and a little thank you for shopping with them. But I didn't even shop with them, they sent me it. What's this? This sounds like pills. I don't know what it is, but this is what it is. This is probably from the TikTok shop. They're always sending me like vitamins. Next package. Ooh, it's an oil serum. Ooh, it's so fancy. Look how cute it is. I'm making sure you can see it. I guess you gotta shake it because it has like two things. Let's try it. Every night I like to put cream and oil around my cuticles, and it actually helps my nails grow. So I might add this one to my routine. It smells so good. It smells like clean. I like it. Next package. Next. They make these packages like so stuck to the product that you can't even get to the product. Oh, I'm guessing it's like an Ordinary dupe because it kind of looks like The Ordinary. I don't know why there would be an Ordinary dupe if The Ordinary is like super cheap. This is what it looks like. It looks like the acid that they have, the acid toner. It brings a little thingy. But I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna use it right now. And I probably won't. I'll give this one to my mom. She'll use this one. She loves like toners and stuff. I don't really like be wearing like skincare and stuff. But thank you to everybody who sent me something. This one, I actually ordered it. So this is basically like a little shout out to the person who made this. So if you guys have Instagram, I don't know if she has TikTok, but I know she has Instagram. She makes these cute rings, and she makes chains, she makes charms. So this is her little business name. It says there for 10% off, so I'm not gonna put that just in case there's a code. Look how cute it is. And I love gold. It actually goes like this. So I got it for this ring. This finger. It's literally a perfect fit. Hold on. Look at it. How cute. Why can I not put it in the middle? Look how cute it is. I love it. And I love my nails too. Like, my nails are cute. I do my own nails, so they're not really the best, but they were free. But the ring is so cute. I think I'm gonna keep it on. And the last package is the Paid Collab product. It's on Amazon. And you guys should try it. To be honest, I love it. I'm not paid to get it. I'm not getting paid to say this, but I actually love it. Like, I've been using it. So it's these like powdered vitamin C. One of them is missing because I have it in the kitchen. because I've been using it every day. And they sent me like a 2-month like a 2-month worth of products. Like I literally love them. This is on Amazon, so if you guys are interested in looking for like some vitamin like C powders, this is the one. So this is the brand. I have them on my Amazon storefront, so if you want my Amazon storefront, I'm gonna put it in the link. I mean, the description down below. But yeah, that is it for today's video. These are all the stuff I got. Let me put it here. Those are all the stuff I got. That's a lot. To be honest, that's a lot. I'm still waiting on more stuff, so I might do like a part 2. So yeah, stay tuned for that video because it's gonna come very soon. I'm waiting on like 2 packages that are supposed to come tomorrow, and then no, actually 3, and then other stuff. This is mostly like TikTok shop samples, but it's PR packages to me. Like I know I don't really get like PR packages that much, but I'm extremely grateful for getting samples on the TikTok shop. Like that's literally insane. Bro, why is it when I do a video, every car needs to pass by my neighborhood, but when I'm not doing a video, nobody passes by? Like, I cannot announce that I'm doing a video. Like, are we for real? And they pass, like, slowly. Like, are we trying to see what I'm doing? Continue moving. But yeah. As always, my favorite lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss. But I love the ring. It looks so pretty on. I'm not taking or anything, but I like it on that finger. It's the fact that she made that. Like, I cannot make that. And it comes out perfect. And they're so affordable. I think I paid like $4 for the ring. And then $4 for the shipping. So it was like $8 in total. Girl, I would up my prices. That's cute. I think I'm gonna get one for this finger and for my thumb. I just don't know what size I am. I'm probably like a 2 on my ring, on my pinky. Because it is a 4.5. Imagine my pinky. My thumb is probably like a 6. This one is a 5 and this one is a 5. That's it. That's all you need to know. Just in case any jewelry brands are watching and you guys want to send me some PR, like I'll do some pictures on Instagram for you. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next. Bye. Love you so much.